Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's AI-ready Swift Go 14 laptop. So friend, Acer announced the new model of the AI-ready Acer Swift Go 14 powered by Intel Core Ultra processor that feature Intel Arc graphics processing unit and Intel AI Boost. Its new integrated neural processing unit to deliver efficient computing performance of AI workloads and immersive experience on the thin and light laptop. Accomplishing tasks and workflows are also made easier on the Swift laptop with Microsoft Copilot in Windows 11. As a today announced new model of the AI-ready Acer Swift Go 14 powered by Intel Core Ultra processor that feature Intel Arc graphics processing unit and Intel AI boosts its new integrated neural processing unit to deliver efficient computing performance of AI workloads and immersive experience on thin and light laptops, and the professional and creators can leverage for Swift Go 14's array of AI features such as Acer Purified Voice and Acer Purified View for video conferencing and customization tools on the OLED laptops. And friend, powered by up to new Intel Core Ultra 7 115H processor and verified as an Intel Evo Edition platform laptop, the Acer Swift Go 14 conformed to enhanced performance requirements and features such as instant wake, fast charging, and extended battery life of up to 12.5 hours. And the Intel Ultra Core H series processor also come equipped with Intel AI Boost acting as a dedicated AI engine and built-in Intel Arc GPU delivering optimized performance and immersive experience for gaming or content creation and unlocking loads of AI power resources with extreme power efficiency. And Windows 11 PC can also be paired with Android or iOS device to create a seamless integrated experience for file transfers, calling, messaging, and device management on a single screen. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's new Predator Triton Neo 16 with Intel Core Ultra processor. So friend, Acer announced the new Predator Triton Neo 16 gaming laptop designed with the new Intel Core Ultra processor with dedicated AI acceleration capabilities and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs that support demanding games and creative applications, and players and content creation can marvel at enhanced video game screens and design on the laptops with up to a stunning 3.2K resolution and 165Hz refresh rate and Kelvin verified displays producing accurate color right out of the box. And the new Intel Core Ultra X series processors are preloaded with dedicated AI engine and Intel application optimization to deliver efficient performance, smooth gameplay, and collaboration experience to the gaming laptop. Combined with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU that support NVIDIA DLSS 3.5 technology, you will be able to enjoy AI optimized visuals on ray traced games and applications. As an NVIDIA Studio validated laptop, it is purpose built for creators, delivers fast and smooth performance across the most challenging creator workflow, and provide access to the NVIDIA Studio suite of creative software. So, friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.